Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you all how I custom colored these 5 custom made wigs without the use of any bleach. This is going to be a long video, but I wanted to show you all start to finish how I custom colored each wig when I'm not providing the extensions, so continue watching to see it all happen. So these hair bundles came from SHEIN. Yes, SHEIN, and I already have a video talking a bit more about how I ended up with just one lace closure with my order. Yet I ended up receiving way more hair bundles than I anticipated. I was sent one 18-inch 5x5 lace closure, which I initially wanted to create a 4-bundle wig with. In total, I had 16 bundles, so there were 8 20-inch bundles and 8 22-inch bundles of body wave hair. So I went on Amazon and purchased just 4 more 18-inch closures in order to create some affordable wigs using all of the bundles. Now, I am a wig maker, so I took this as an opportunity to simply create. And one of the first things I do with hair extensions is I double the wefts just to ensure that all the hair provided is used. So after doubling the wefts, it's time to get to work. The first unit I am creating, it will be a small one, and this will fit small to medium head sizes as I am using a 21.5 block head. Now the next wig I'm creating is going to be on a large cap, and this unit will fit a 23 and up head size. I like to sew my closure on first and then I get to constructing my wig, just because one step is already completed, and once I'm off my machine, all I have to do is customize, style, and send the wig off to its rightful owner or throw that wig on my head. Now, the other 3 units I'll be creating, they'll all be in a size medium, which is the average head size, and will fit a 22-inch head. And all in all, it took me a total of 2 days to get through all 5 wigs, only because I was teaching wig classes in the midst of creating them. So if you're ever interested in learning how to make wigs, I do offer virtual classes, and I'll leave all the details in the description area. And here they all are completed and with an adjustable elastic band attached to them for security. So the hair's quality is questionable, and I didn't want to heavily process this hair with bleach, so I opted to use the L'Oreal HiLights line to color all of the wigs, and we're starting off with this violet color. So the box, it does suggest to use 30 volume developer, but I'll be using 40 in hopes that I get the best color payoff and results. As you guys can see, I saturated the entire unit with this color from roots to the ends, and here's how it turned out. So I was getting hints of violet, which was nice. I didn't love it, so I decided to dye the entire unit jet black instead. Yet still, there are still some hues of violet left in the unit, but for the most part, this is a fully jet black wig. Next, we are using the color Ash Blonde, and I'll be doing highlights throughout the unit with this color. So I like to saturate my foils first, as this helps with color payoff and it prevents the mixture from drying out. And here are the results, and this goes to show that the quality of the hair you use, it does matter. Although this is advertised on Shein as virgin hair, it is not high quality virgin hair. So instead of getting blonde highlights, I got brown. Now moving on, we are actually doing a brown unit, and I'm using 4 boxes of hair dye. I wanted a money piece, so with 20 volume developer in bleach, I am just coloring this one piece just so that it stands out. Once that piece is done processing, I will saturate it and the remainder of the hair with the brown hair color mixture, and I will let it process for up to an hour. So as you guys can see, I won't be using any foils or anything like that. I'll just be using like a brush to comb the mixture thoroughly through the hair, and like I said, I let it process for an hour. And here we have the results. I love how this color job just came out. Of course, with higher quality hair, the results would probably be a lot better and I would say brighter, but overall, I am satisfied with how this color job came out. Next, we are doing red, and I am mixing these colors together. I did section the hair off in multiple sections as I am leaving the roots dark, and the color will mainly be focused on the ends and mid shaft. And here we have the results, which I am very, very pleased with. I love how it turned out. It's not too bright, it's not dark, it's just a very nice vampy wine magenta red. And finally, we have this copper custom color we are doing, and just like the red unit, I am using sections. They are a lot larger this time, and another thing I'll be doing is a money piece. So it's not going to be bleach, it'll be the same color formula, just higher up in the front strands. I let the color process for up to an hour on all of the color jobs in this video. I wanted the best color payoff possible, and I think that the longer processing time definitely helped a lot. And here are the results. It's such a beautiful mix between browns and reds. I really love how this color job came out. Of course, higher quality hair, it would have been a higher quality color payoff, but nevertheless, I am happy and satisfied with it. I went ahead and bleached the knots on the wigs, and I customized the hairlines, and of course I styled them as you saw in the very beginning of the video. My overall review on the hair is that it is perfect for practice as it is super affordable. It's cheap rather, but it's not high quality hair. Definitely go on Shein and grab some bundles if you are practicing, wig making, coloring, installing, just before you decide to make an investment with an actual vendor. All of the bundles withstood the process that I put them through, but I didn't use a harsh chemical and I did not use bleach, just to be on the safe side. In this clip, I am removing baby hairs from this unit as I had decided against them. It just looks so much better without them. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Y'all let me know what you think. But like I was saying, The quality of hair extensions used play a huge role in how well it'll take color. I bet if I use raw hair extensions or higher quality virgin hair, these color services, they'd probably look totally different. Nevertheless, I was able to tap into my creativity and create 5 gorgeous and affordable custom wigs. You'll find them on my website under Ready to Ship. I'll be sure to leave all the details in the description for you all to reference, along with any links that'll help you shop better. I truly hope that you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I'll be sure to have all the information for you all regarding color formulas and where you can find all the products used in this video. All that will be found in the description area, so definitely check it out. If you reach this point of the video, you are a real one, and I truly appreciate you. So thank you again for watching, and I'll be sure to see you all in the next video. Bye.